Alright, so now I'm going to show you this tool, the Dremel. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So basically, let's change the camera so that way you can see it a little bit closely. So as you can see, this is the, I think this is the model. It says, I'm going to zoom in so that way you can see it a little bit better. If you're looking at with a cell phone, it will be more difficult for you. So okay, so as you can see, F01 38220000 Dremel, and is from 5,000 RPMs to 35,000 RPM. So this is way faster than the Milwaukee one, from 10 to 12 volts. So this is the model. I think maybe this is the main one. So 8220, and as you can see, so this tool is very well thought out. So basically, if you want to remove the bit, all you have to do is push here with the tool or by hand. You can remove this, put the new one in. If you want, a brush, if you want a cutting disc or anything else, you can do it like that, very easy. And if you want to, for instance, to turn it on and off, you do it from here. Again, if you want to remove the brush, press here, and here you can change the speed. If you want faster or slower, and here it will tell you the battery. So if the battery is almost done, or if it is fully charged. So I'll show you. You see, we have the three lights, and if we want more speed, if you want to remove the battery, very easy. Push here, pull out, and that's it. So very, very easy. And then put it back in, and that's it. So also it has something I don't like it very much. This is kind of a pain in the butt to take it out. This is the hook. Sometimes you have to, if you have like an arm to hook it like that, and then you can put here like a hose, and then you can, manage the tool that way. If you want to use it that way, cool. Maybe if you're stationary. In my case, I prefer to have this in my toolbox, so that way, anywhere I go, I can have it handy, and that's it. So as usual, I am in US. If you need a tool or anything, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. And if you want to learn more about tools, go to my playlist, and see you next time. Bye.